Hi guys, welcome back to a new video in Smart AI Bot. In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to make social media videos which can go viral in just 10 minutes using AI. So without any delay, let's jump right into the tutorial. Okay guys, so I went to YouTube and then I searched this on YouTube, top 5 dangerous animals in the world. And as you can see, there's some shorts of top 5 dangerous animals in the world, and I will just show you some of them. Okay, so in this one there's a voiceover, and yeah, so thing is that how they make the videos, I can also make like a second video if you want on how they make like these types of video exact. In today's video I'll make not like a similar type, I'll make same type of topic but different type of method and different type of, you can say, video template, something like that. So we need a script first of all. So for that we'll just go to ChatGPT and we will type, tell me the top 5 most dangerous animals Okay, so now it gave us the script of top 5 dangerous animals in the world. You can also say, tell me the top 5 dangerous animals in the world of YouTube script, and I'll give you the YouTube script and you'll paste it. But let me just explain it and then you can do the steps which I tell. So we'll just copy everything, the information which you provided us. Then once you've finished copying, you can go to the search bar again, and when you're in the search bar, type Pictory AI, and you can click on the first link and click on get started for free. And then if you use email, you can type in these boxes. If you do not use email, you use Google Gmail, then click on the Google, continue with Google. Okay, then I'll direct you to this page which I'm right now. So there's many like type of features. You can do script to video, article to video, edit video using text, visuals to video. If you do not know how to use it, then you can just click on watch tutorial. Okay, so in today's video we'll choose script to video. We'll paste the script from ChatGPT and then we'll make a video. So whatever we pasted, we'll just paste the Control V. If you're on mobile, you can click on paste from clipboard, and as you can see, it's saying mosquitoes and salt water crocodiles. You can remove it, but I do not want it. Okay, so as you can see, I removed the names because I didn't want to add the names, and it's your choice if you want to add the names or not. Then you can add your topic title name, your video name. My video name is top 5 words, and we need like an intro, so I'll type in my intro. Remember I said about you can say to ChatGPT about YouTube script. You can use that script and paste it here, everything, and you don't have to type an intro, but it's your choice to choose 2 options. It's your choice. Okay, so this is what I type in my intro. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we'll discuss the top 5 most dangerous animals in the world. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. And I've written my intro, so then you can click on proceed button on the top. And then the good thing about the website, or the best thing, is that you can choose the type of template subtitles. So like auto captions or subtitles. You can choose whatever subtitles you like. I'll choose this one, graceful. And choose the aspect ratio 16:9, which is the YouTube format video, or 19:16 is the ratio of video shorts, and 1:1 is like Twitter. And then I click on that 19:16. Once you've done that, it will be showing like the same page right now for you and for me. Okay, so we have done it has done creating our video. If you want to see how your video looks like, you can click on the preview button on top. Let me just see how my video looks like. The intro is actually very good. Okay, it's good. So if you have like a problem with the subtitles, like the spelling is wrong, then you can just click on it and edit it. The visuals, you can add the type of video. If you don't like the video, which is here right here, you can search it, you can download it and then put it here. And then yeah, textures, the background, I think. Okay, and here's audio, which is the voiceover. In the top 5 most dangerous, there is a voiceover, and when you add a voiceover, it makes like your video more interesting. So you can add your background music here, which is already applied, which is tapping on broken glass. Voiceover, choose any type of voiceover. When you click on it, you can hear it, or you can paste the voiceover from any voiceover app. So I'll basically click on the drag and drop files for or browse from your computer, but the thing is that I don't have any voiceover, so you can choose the type of person you want to say. And if there's very little, like there's actually a lot of options, but if you don't like the options, you can simply click on voice library and choose more type of audios. So you can hear it, sample, and if you like it, you can just click on add to voice lab, and you can click on a category, gender, age, accent. It's so trending. Okay, so I like Bella's voice because her voice is very good, and I'll just paste my script. Okay, so I basically like remove the same stuff, and my bad guys, we have to copy the script before submitting our video, and I had to write some stuff again, like hi guys, welcome, the first intro script. So you can first do that and then you'll be done. Then click on generate now button. And once it's in generating, it'll just show you how your character is saying. And Bella voice is actually very good. And after like a little bit, then it'll show a download option. Right now it's just showing. You can click on download option. Okay, now we save our files. Then we go back to Pictory AI. Click on drag and drop files or browse from your computer. And then we'll just paste. Okay, then we'll be uploading the file once you've pasted your file. And our video is 2 minutes and 0 seconds, and it's not 1 minute 21 seconds. So how will 1 minute 21 seconds audio fit with 2 minutes 0 seconds video? So you click on entire video, it will match entire video and do the type of time scene durations of each of the clips according to the audio. Okay, once you finish doing that, it'll show you how your character is saying the text and stuff. So it's really good. I really like it. You can adjust the text, you can add text, like add the text here and say hi guys. You can add elements, GIFs, which are funny small type of videos, or you can add the stickers. And yeah, and styles, you can change the type of subtitles template, and then branding, it's like a logo, intro logo type. And format, you can change the format if you don't like it. Right now I did portrait, which is 19:16, and it's your choice. So I have showed you everything, and this is like how we make the video. You can then download the button, click on the download now button on the top, and click on the video button, and then once you have done that, it will be downloading the video, and then you can also upload your video to YouTube. Okay, it's finished, and you can click on the download button, and it will be saved in your files. Then you can just easily upload this on YouTube, and you can gain money if your videos are very famous. So I've told you everything on what you need to know. I told you how to make videos like top 5 dangerous animals in the world. You can also make on different topics and use the help of AI. And once you have finished downloading the video, then our video will be showing, and then when you click on it, the watermark will already remove. And only one thing problem is that in the end it says Pictory AI, so you can go to any editing app and you can cut the part from the end and then download and upload on YouTube. So this is the end of the video.